There's my cat, Carl. He's just a little chicken nugget, like how he's always been. He's giving me a bath. Carl! Carl! Now he's licking his butt. Now he is licking his butt. He was just butt scooting earlier, but I interrupted him on that. Ooh, there's a leaf just fell. There's Carl getting ready to attack the leaf. And oh, no man. I thought he was gonna go attack the leaf. Yawn! I wonder what he's thinking. What is he looking at? He's looking that way, but there's nothing there. So what is the little man looking at? What is he looking at? What is he? Oh, by the way, these are my Crocs. 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 Yes, I have my mask. Oh, look at my kitty, Carl. Gonna zoom in really close. Look at that face. Look at him. Who has the cutest cat in the world? I do. Who has the cutest kitty? Kitty cat, Carl. Yes, that's his nickname, Kitty Cat Carl. Hi, Carl. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come here. Come on. Yeah. Carl. Carl. Come here. Carl. Carl. Kitty, 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 kitty. I'm gonna go towards him. I'm gonna go towards the kitty. We're gonna get up real close. Really close. Yes, it is just zoomed in. As you can see, I'm actually this far away from him. Now I'm gonna try his toes. His toes. Zoom in on the pretty boy. Here he is. Here's the prettiest. Yeah.